Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, Mike. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am very good. It is a sunny day, isn't it?
Yes, it is very sunny and warm. I like the weather today.
Me too. I love to walk in the park on sunny days. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every morning. I like to walk and talk with my friends.
That is nice. What did you do this morning before you came to the park?
I woke up at 7 a.m., had breakfast, and then I walked to the park. And you, Mike, what did you do?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m., drank some coffee, and then I went for a short run in the park. I like running in the morning.
That sounds healthy and fun.
Yes, it is fun. So, do you want to sit on the bench and talk?
Yes, let us sit. I have many questions for you today.
I am happy to answer. Please ask me anything.
Mike, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. What about you, Anna?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I always eat breakfast at home. I have bread, eggs, and coffee. And you?
I eat toast and fruit, and I drink tea. It is a simple breakfast.
That is good. After breakfast, what do you do?
I take a bus to work. I work in a small office in the city center.
I drive to work by car. I work in a shop near the park.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30 a.m. And you? What time do you start?
I start at 9 a.m. I like my work because I meet many nice people.
That is very nice. Do you have a lunch break at work?
Yes, I have a lunch break at 12 noon. I eat a sandwich and some fruit.
I also eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I usually have a salad or a hot meal. After work, what do you do?
After work, I go home, and sometimes I go for a walk or meet my friends. I relax in the evening.
I like to watch TV or read a book when I am at home. It is a simple routine, but very nice.
Mike, do you have a family?
Yes, I do. I have a wife and one child. What about you?
I live with my husband and our two children.
That is wonderful. How old are your children?
My daughter is 8 years old, and my son is 5. And your child?
My son is 6 years old. He loves to play with his toys and draw pictures.
My children love to play in the park and read simple storybooks. What does your wife do?
My wife is a teacher at a primary school. She loves her work very much.
That is very nice. My husband works in an office. We both try to spend time with our children every day.
Yes, family time is very important. I always eat dinner with my family and talk about our day.
I do the same. We sit together and everyone tells one good thing from the day. Mike, what do you do at your shop?
I work as a clerk. I help customers, arrange products, and answer simple questions. Do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work. I work in an office and answer phone calls and emails. It is not very hard.
That is good. Do you study anything in the evening?
Yes, I study English after work. I use simple books and practice speaking with friends.
That is great. I also try to learn English. I listen to simple conversations and watch short videos.
It is good to practice every day. I learn new words and ask questions in class.
Yes, asking questions is very important. I ask my teacher many simple questions, like what is this? Or how do you say?
I do the same. It helps me speak better and feel more confident. Mike, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play football with my friends and sometimes ride my bicycle. What do you do?
I like to read books and listen to music. I also like to cook simple meals at home.
That is very nice. What kind of books do you read?
I read storybooks and books about nature. They are short and easy to understand.
I like to read books about history and simple stories. Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to soft music in the morning and sometimes in the evening. It makes me feel calm.
I like pop songs and happy music. I sometimes sing along, even though I am not a good singer.
That is fun. Singing makes me smile. Do you play any games?
Yes, on weekends I play simple card games with my friends. It is very relaxing.
I sometimes play board games with my husband. We laugh a lot and have a good time. Mike, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I like pizza with cheese and tomato. What do you like?
I like pasta and a simple salad. I also love fruit for dessert.
Do you like to drink coffee or tea?
I like to drink tea in the morning and sometimes water or juice during the day.
I drink coffee in the morning and water all day. I also like a cold drink in the afternoon if it is hot.
That is good. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I help my wife in the kitchen. I can make simple pasta and a salad. We cook together on weekends.
That is lovely. Cooking with family is fun and healthy.
Yes, it is. We sometimes invite our neighbors and have a small meal together.
Mike, do you go shopping every day?
Not every day, but I go shopping on weekends. I buy clothes, food, and simple things for the home.
I also go shopping on Saturday morning. I go to the market for fresh fruit and vegetables.
I like to visit the small supermarket near my house. It is easy to find what I need.
Yes, the local market is very friendly. I ask many simple questions like, how much is this? And where is the bread?
I do that too. I always say thank you after I buy something. It makes shopping pleasant.
It is good to be polite. Do you like to shop online sometimes?
I have tried online shopping. I buy a few things on the computer, but I like to see the items in the shop before I buy.
I agree. It is better to see and touch things in person. Mike, how is the weather today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm. It is a perfect day for a walk.
Yes, I like sunny days. Do you like rain?
Sometimes I like light rain. It is cool and quiet, but I prefer sunny days.
I also like sunny days. What season do you like best?
I like summer best. The days are long, and I can do many outdoor activities. And you?
I like spring. In spring, the flowers bloom, and the weather is mild.
Spring is very pretty. I like to see the colorful flowers in the park.
Me too. In the summer, I sometimes go to the beach. In the spring, I go for walks and enjoy the fresh air. Mike, what are your plans for the weekend?
This weekend, I plan to visit my family in a nearby town. I will drive there on Saturday morning. What about you?
I plan to meet with my friends for a picnic in the park on Sunday. We will bring sandwiches and fruit.
That sounds like a fun plan. Do you want to invite me to your picnic?
Yes, you can come if you are free on Sunday. We can sit under a big tree and talk.
I would like that very much. I will call you on Friday to confirm.
Great. I am happy to see you again. Do you have any other plans for the future?
I want to travel to a new city next month. I would like to see museums and try new food. How about you?
I want to learn more English and maybe take a short course at a language school. I also want to visit a small town by the sea.
Those are good ideas. I wish you the best in your studies. I also want to learn new words and speak better.
Thank you, Mike. We can help each other to learn more.
Yes, let us practice English together. It is fun to ask and answer simple questions.
Mike, I am very happy we spent this day together. I learned many new words and talked about many things.
I am happy too, Anna. Today was a good day. I enjoyed our talk about daily routines, family, work, food, shopping, and the weather.
I hope we can meet again soon. Maybe next time we can go to a small cafe and have a drink.
That is a good idea. I will call you next week, and we can plan a coffee date.
Thank you, Mike. I look forward to it. Have a nice rest of your day.
Thank you, Anna. Enjoy your day too. See you soon.
Goodbye, Mike.
Goodbye, Anna.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.